Isabel, are you eating the kitty food? Isabel, what are you eating? Are you eating the kitty food? Huh? Are you eating the kitty food? What are you eating? Kitty food? Are you sorry? Okay. You're sorry that you're eating the kitty food. Okay. What? What? You're eating the kitty food again! You just said you were sorry for eating the kitty food. And now you're going back and eat it again? Isabel! Okay, you're sorry. I see, you're sorry. Okay, okay. Good girl. Good girl. Sorry again. Alright, I'm going to leave now. Ow, that's my toe.